Namaskar. Welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this module, we will discuss the features and functionality of enhanced bunching in services where buyers can group multiple related services into a single bid. Let's start by taking a look at the overview for enhanced bunching. Enhanced bunching services refers to the process of grouping multiple related services into a single bid. This approach helps buyers procure interconnected services efficiently, ensuring better coordination and cost effectiveness. Here are the key features of enhanced bunching. 1. Groups multiple related services into a single bid for streamlined procurement. 2. Buyers can edit parameters at the item level after adding them to the cart in the enhanced bunching flow. 3. Enhanced bunching is applicable only for bid purchases. 4. There is no specific limit to the number of services a buyer can bunch at a time, provided they are relevant to each other. Now, we will look into the process to bunch services using enhanced bunching. To proceed, visit www.gem.gov.in and click on Login. On clicking Login, you will be redirected to your login page. On this page, enter your user ID. Then, enter the capture text visible on the screen. Click on Submit to proceed further. Here, enter your password and click on Submit to proceed. Welcome to your home page. On the screen, click on Browse and select Enhanced Bunching to proceed. The buyer can create a multi-item cart on the enhanced bunching dedicated page. Click on Add New Cart to create a new cart. The buyer can select the contract start date and end date, which will be taken as the first input before category selection, and this will be the same for all the line items. Select contract start and end date from here. Once the contract start date and end date has been selected, click on Add New Item to add the first service item. All service categories for which enhanced bunching is enabled should reflect in the drop-down while searching service type. After selecting the first item from the drop-down, the buyer will get a pre-selected list of values for the selection in the specifications. Select your specification from here. After adding the specifications, buyer will have to add parameters relevant to the service. Update your parameters here. After the parameters are added, click on Add to Cart to proceed. The first service item has been added. Now, click on Add New Item to add the second item for bunching. Follow the same steps as seen for the first service to select specifications and update the parameters for the selected service. Once the second item is selected, the buyer can edit, view and delete the selected service details. Click here to edit the service details. The buyer can view the selected service details. Click here to view the service details. A pop-up window with the service details will appear. Review the item details and click on Close to proceed further. The buyer will get the option for deleting the order item. To delete the item from the cart, click on the delete icon. To proceed deleting the item, click on OK to confirm. Once all items are selected for bunching, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Please note that enhanced bunching option is available only for bidding-wise procurement. Click here to proceed further. On the shopping cart screen, to view the formula for the price breakup, click on Preview Formula. On clicking Preview Formula, a pop-up window opens up and the formula for the price breakup can be seen for relevant items. The buyer can view the total value based on the formula here. After reviewing the formula and total value, click on the Close icon to proceed. Once all service items are selected, click on Bid to proceed for bid creation. Follow the bunch bid creation process to proceed. The bid will be published once the verification is completed. You can verify the bid using OTP, e-sign or digital signature. Now, let's wrap up this module with a few key conclusions. 1. Enhanced bunching services streamlines procurement by combining similar product or service requirements. 2. The category owner needs to enable the enhanced bunching mode for the service through catalog management. 3. All services for which enhanced bunching flag is enabled should reflect in the drop-down while searching. 4. Promotes planning and forecasting at the department or ministry level for consolidated procurement. Thank you.